Hey guys, in this video, you're going to see me shuck two external hard drives. And basically, these are not new drives. These are old drives I've had sitting around with data on them. And basically, the whole point of this isn't so much to get cheaper drives or something like that for a NAS or whatever, but it's really the purpose is just to basically just to do it. They're old drives that I would probably be throwing away anyways. So I'm going to be extracting whatever data. I want to be able to pull off any data that's on them, and also just to test out my docking station. I'll probably just use them for testing and stuff like that, and not a whole lot else. But that's about it. So in this video, you're going to see me shuck these drives and mount them in my external docking station, which is a pretty neat device. If you don't want to know where you can pick up that docking station, just check the link in the description. I'm going to have a link there. But other than that, there's not a whole lot I'm doing in this video. So if you just want to watch me shuck drives and stick them in my docking station, that's about it. The rest of this video is mostly just going to be, the audio is just going to be some background music with me shucking the drive. So that's what you want to watch. Keep watching. So hopefully you found this useful or at least interesting, if nothing else. You might want to give me a thumbs up. You might want to hit that subscribe button also, and hit the little bell icon. Otherwise, YouTube's probably not going to let you know when we come out with a new video. We do have a lot of great stuff coming up, and we've actually, if you want to check our list of videos, we've already put out a lot of pretty interesting things, some more interesting than others. We cover a lot of great stuff: coding, servers, hardware, software, 3D printing, electronics, single board computers, robots, networking, all sorts of great tech related stuff that you're not going to want to miss. So if you want your YouTube feed to be that much more interesting, you're going to want to hit that subscribe button. But more important than any of that stuff, you're going to want to leave a comment down below, especially if you know something that I don't know. Definitely let me know, not just for me, but for the next person who comes along and watches this video and reads the comments. Leave a comment for them also. Any comments, questions, criticisms, whatever you want to say, I probably want to hear it. So do leave a comment down below. And that's pretty much it for today. So as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.